Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create intro using VideoPad. VideoPad is the easy way to make intro for your video. Go to VideoPad video editor app and click at the top left side of menu and click tools. Next, click Video Maker Wizard, and you have options to select your choice. Select a template you want. And next, you have to set your titles, the first, the second, and the third. I choose my channel name, and you can set your it's your info site. If you want to change its font, duration, or color, you can choose at the bottom. And click next. Next, you have to add music. You can drag from your file, from stock library, or select from your list. And click your selections and open. But I want no music. You can choose yours. And you will see the video here. And next you have to export the video. Export it. And next you have to choose file type, video file, and choose title for your video. You can say intro 1 or 2. It will take a few seconds. Yes, it's finished, and you can select show in folders if you want to see the video in folder. It will show you in folder, and you can take it to desktop to find an easy way. And you can close the export screen. Here is your video over here. It's very nice. I hope you enjoy it. If you want another video, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this video.